Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. Today we're diving deep into the extraordinary health benefits of a seemingly ordinary vegetable, cucumbers. From hydration to heart health, prepare to be amazed by the healing powers of this humble yet remarkable food. Let's get started. Cucumbers, often overlooked in the realm of superfoods, possess a remarkable array of health benefits that can positively impact your overall well-being. Here are the myriad ways cucumbers can heal your body and enhance your vitality. Number 1. Hydration. The power of water. At its essence, a cucumber embodies the quintessence of hydration, boasting a composition that surpasses 95% water content. This verdant marvel stands as nature's aqueous vessel, imparting refreshment and replenishment to the body's fluid reservoirs. Whether savored raw in crisp salads or steeped in water for a revitalizing elixir, cucumbers present a delectable and efficacious strategy for sustaining optimal hydration levels throughout the day. Adequate hydration stands as a cornerstone of vitality, facilitating vital bodily functions, modulating internal temperatures, and fortifying overall well-being. Embracing the cucumber's hydrating prowess not only gratifies the palate, but also nurtures the body, fostering a harmonious synergy between nature's bounty and human vitality. Number 2. Nutrient-rich composition. In addition to their remarkable water content, cucumbers showcase a rich nutritional tapestry, teeming with indispensable vitamins and minerals. Among these, vitamin K takes center stage, playing a pivotal role in blood clotting and skeletal integrity, generously present within cucumbers. Furthermore, they deliver a significant payload of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant championing immune resilience and collagen synthesis. Potassium, manganese, and an array of other vital nutrients nestled within cucumbers orchestrate a symphony of physiological harmony, fortifying diverse bodily processes to uphold peak performance. Embracing cucumbers as a dietary staple not only gratifies the palate, but also nourishes the body, fostering a holistic approach to wellness that celebrates the multifaceted bounty of nature's offerings. Number 3. Weight management, a low-calorie option. For those conscientious about calorie management, cucumbers emerge as a virtuous inclusion in any dietary regimen, offering a guilt-free indulgence. Boasting negligible calorie counts per serving and an abundance of hydration, they satiate hunger without substantially impacting overall caloric intake. Introducing cucumbers into your culinary repertoire can effectively curb cravings, simplifying weight management endeavors, and facilitating the pursuit of optimal health objectives. Moreover, their crisp texture injects a delightful volume into meals, elevating the gustatory journey without burdening it with excess caloric baggage. Embracing cucumbers as a dietary ally not only promotes satiety, but also embodies a prudent approach to wellness, harmonizing nutritional balance with culinary enjoyment. Number 4. Digestive health, nourishing from within. An optimal digestive system stands as the bedrock of holistic well-being, and cucumbers emerge as stalwart allies in nurturing gut health. Laden with dietary fiber, cucumbers champion regularity and streamline digestion with finesse. Fiber's adeptness at bulking up stool mitigates constipation woes and champions bowel regularity, ensuring a seamless passage through the digestive tract. By orchestrating the harmonious functioning of your digestive apparatus, cucumbers pave the way for enhanced nutrient assimilation and efficient waste expulsion, cultivating an environment conducive to gut vitality. Embracing cucumbers as a dietary linchpin not only nurtures digestive wellness, but also embodies a proactive stance towards holistic health, fostering equilibrium within the intricate ecosystem of the gastrointestinal realm. Number 5. Heart health, nurturing the cardiovascular system. In the ongoing battle against cardiovascular disease, cucumbers emerge as potential allies, thanks to their potassium-rich composition. Potassium plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal blood pressure levels by offsetting the impact of sodium, thereby mitigating the risk of hypertension and its attendant complications. By integrating cucumbers into a heart-conscious diet, individuals may witness tangible benefits such as reduced blood pressure and enhanced cardiovascular resilience. Embracing cucumbers as a dietary staple not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also embodies a proactive approach towards safeguarding heart health, fortifying the foundation for longevity and vitality. Number 6. Antioxidant properties, shielding against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress, stemming from the delicate equilibrium between free radicals and antioxidants within the body, stands as a pivotal factor in aging and disease progression. Within cucumbers lies a treasure trove of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which act as formidable defenders against oxidative onslaught. By intercepting and neutralizing detrimental free radicals, cucumbers serve as guardians of cellular integrity, staunching the tide of premature aging and inflammation. Through their adept scavenging prowess, cucumbers not only shield cells from oxidative harm, but also lay the groundwork for sustained well-being and longevity. Embracing cucumbers as a dietary boon not only tantalizes the palate, but also embodies a proactive stance towards fortifying the body's defenses against the ravages of time and disease. Number 7. Skincare, nourishing inside and out. Your skin, the body's largest organ, reflects internal health and vitality. Cucumbers, revered for their skincare benefits, offer both internal and external nourishment for radiant skin. When consumed, cucumbers hydrate the body from within, promoting moisture balance and skin suppleness. Externally, cucumber slices applied topically soothe irritated skin, reduce puffiness around the eyes, and alleviate sunburn discomfort. Additionally, cucumber-infused skincare products harness the plant's hydrating and calming properties to enhance skin health and appearance. Number 8. Bone health, fortifying skeletal integrity. Maintaining strong and healthy bones is essential for mobility and overall well-being, particularly as you age. Cucumbers contain vitamin K, a nutrient vital for bone health and calcium metabolism. Vitamin K promotes the synthesis of osteocalcin, a protein involved in bone mineralization, thereby supporting bone density and strength. By incorporating cucumbers into your diet, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients to maintain optimal skeletal integrity and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 9. Freshens breath, a natural mouth refresher. Bad breath or halitosis can be a source of social discomfort and may indicate underlying oral health issues. Cucumbers offer a simple yet effective solution for freshening breath naturally. Their high water content stimulates saliva production, which helps wash away odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Additionally, the phytochemicals present in cucumbers possess antimicrobial properties, further combating oral bacteria and promoting oral hygiene. Including cucumbers in your diet can contribute to improved breath freshness and overall oral health. Number 10. Alkalizing properties, restoring balance. The body's pH balance plays a crucial role in health and disease, with an acidic environment linked to various ailments. Cucumbers exhibit alkalizing properties, helping to restore pH balance and promote overall alkalinity within the body. By consuming alkaline-forming foods like cucumbers, you counteract the acidity resulting from modern dietary habits and lifestyle factors. Maintaining a more alkaline internal environment may reduce the risk of acid-related diseases, support detoxification processes, and enhance overall vitality. In conclusion, the health benefits of cucumbers extend far beyond their refreshing crunch and mild flavor. From hydration and weight management to heart health and skincare, cucumbers offer a multitude of ways to enhance your well-being and vitality. By incorporating these versatile vegetables into your diet and skincare routine, you can harness their healing properties and embark on a journey to optimal health and wellness. And there you have it, folks, the incredible health benefits of cucumbers laid out for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Have you tried incorporating cucumbers into your diet yet? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.